guys, it's me, Pickle122, and I'm here on Build a Boat for the Weather. Alright, and guys, I have all of the shorts. If you want the shorts, that's a video I might make how to get all the swords, probably not. But this video I'm showing you how to get the blue sword. First, you build a boat. That's the name. It's gonna be something awesome, so worth it. That's one of my friends tried to get it with me. We both got it. All right, now, I have to use this motor to drive, baby, drive. And I have a jetpack, an emergency jetpack. That's what the jetpack's for. Stuff like that. Alright, good. No one has figured it out in the server. Bye, boat. I think my boat's having a good time. Whatever. You come up here and you see bookcases. You're gonna be like, why do you have bookcases? Long story. Alright. This is the bookcase code. It's that thing. You, blue, and do. And then this will open. If you want the gnome, you come over here and you're like, hug me, baby. And then you click, tap, whatever you want. You may not. Main server. Alright, now team. Alright, now. The next book combination is a little more confusing. You better write this down, Jerry. Do that, and then you come over here, and then you do you, and then you come all the way over here and do the farthest, and then I do warthest, and I do a wallless, and then I do black, up, and black. Now, now the cannon's gonna appear. Now, once the cannon's here, you don't have to get fired. You're fired! I don't want to be fired. Fire me, Hull. Shoot me. Dang it. Then, once you go down here, and you have to do this in the exact order. You have to do the bookcases in order, and you have to do this in order.
No, I don't think so.
Use this video to, memorize, and you have to do it in this order. Like I said, 5 million times, but you have to do all, and then you do. Great day, you may not join my team. Then you form a B by outlining it, and then right here, you do like this, and then this. You do this around each corner, all the corners. Now, don't mind in the background if there's talking, but then you do this sword. And after the sword, you come down here to do the lever. See this?
Do it in a little bit.
Right now, after you pull the lever, and then ding, 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 ding. Magic! I have the power over time. Now. Oh, I already won. Alright, now, let's go. I win. If you want to see it for yourself, just skip. And I can move. The boss. If you don't want to hear, just fast forward to the end. Alright, now. There's eye, mouth, angry eyes. Now, by face, 101010. Oh no, lasers. Gotta dodge them. Ow! Ow! It's on my toe. You will never get me. I am your king. Nope. Nope. Oh no. Look at all those lasers. And yes, I already got it. I know what to expect. Now, I fit through. How do I keep getting hit on easy lasers? And if you do this boss fight is easy. You can get 200 gold and you get the blue sword. Look at all those lasers. Lasers, I think what's called. By lasers. It's like an obby. Jump, wump, whap, dump. And you could do this over and over again to get the 200 gold. But I mostly do this boss fight for the gold. Made the jump. Now, you can't catch me. If I made that, I would be surprised. Now, for these four, you can't jump over it. Stay right here. You'll be safe. Trust me. Yeah. No. I don't want to fall, mother. The best way is stand here and the lasers you can't get hurt. Like slip. Nope. Now. Phew. I almost got hit by a waver. Yeah, see those red things? The cupcakes. Like, look at how tasty those cupcakes are. They're just super long and red and very dangerous. With your UFOs above them. Yeah, I get healed, and you're so weak, boss. Now. Oh no, my bread's too full. You think you could shoot me? Let's see about that. I jump over your bullets. And fire. Look, I jump. I'm only gonna press space. Oh, that's all I'm gonna do. Think you could do something like that? Jump! Oh, that I accidentally have VOC. Jump! Look how easy you jump. And do it. Oh, no! And if you fall in the block, you do that mega jump, and you get damage. You think you could damage me? I'm the dancing king. Think red's gonna stop me? I love the color red. If you want this outfit, check out my Maple Donut badge. You get this sweet outfit and the Maple Donut badge from Piggy. And also you get the purple sword from Piggy. I might make a video how. Maybe. But this is Rosso sword, the newest. Whatever it's called. And golden. Now. Lime. And I do the mega jump. I want to know something? If the boss fight turned into a puppy, I would lick it down. You can't hurt me. Wait a minute. He can't hurt me if I do this. Oh, it hurts me. Whatever, I'm healed. All it matters. I'm gonna jump for a jump. You can't jump on his hand, sadly, or you can't jump on his face. So, he's ready. My tech, just eliminate the front. As less. No! Just eliminate the front, trust me.
The match is loading forever.
No. It's okay if you get hurt or If you die, the run's just gonna lag. No. Now. I made the jump. No. Alright, now he's gonna do this and he's gonna charge at you. The reason I eliminated the front, who would want to be the front? And then boom, he's gonna do that. If you stand behind it when it comes back, it still damages you. But like, look at all the space. Like, look at our space. Like, I'm not in outer space, but it's space. You can't get me. Oh, he did get me. All right, now this is the only 2 more things, then he's dead. Ah! Ah! Self-destruct! No! I got crushed. Hi, what a great day. Hey, no. Oh no! I've been crushed. You don't take damage while standing in the hand where it explodes. Explode! Flip-a-doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Why? I love this finger. Where did the screen go? Where did boing, boing, boing? Whatever, you get the sword, and I got the sword in 200 plus gold. Now I'm even rich. I'm richer than you, Bobby Billionaire. Well, I don't even have a million gold. And then a portal will open. The mega jump. Build a boat for treasure. And that's how you get the sword. Now you leave the game to go equip it, of course, even though I already have all 3 swords equipped. But you know, classic. And then Rosso Sword of Truth. The next few videos I'm going to tell you how you get DJ Sword of Agility and Sabrina Sword of Healing. These are free, so you could just like cha-ching. And watch my later video and see how you get the robe, the crown, robe, and pants of Magnus. And if you can't find it in recent, then I'll just go to clothing and back, and then boom. So that's how you get it. And later, you can only have one equipped unless you do advanced stuff. But that's it for today's video. Now, bye-bye, stackers.